Which one should I be? The A330 or the Boeing 747?
I don't know, but I'm landing at or I'm landing at Tokyo International. Just wait.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm stuck.
Can you just stay in personal line?
Bro, why though? I'm gonna teach them how to land butter.
I think they already played this game.
Nah, bro, a lot of people don't even know how to do butter.
I know how to do it, but just write in my plane so that they can know how to protect. I'm gonna be the A330. I'm gonna be. Which one should I? Which airline should I be? The Qantas or the Qatar?
Just anything.
I'm gonna pick Lufthansa. God,
I'm gonna be Cebu Pacific.
where are you?
Here in Perth.
Oh. John, can I just take off immediately?
Yeah, sure.
Why don't you stay in Perth? Why don't you stay or just teach them how to land?
I am gonna teach them how to land.
John, be careful because I'm gonna take off. When the viewers see that I take off immediately, please tell them to be nice to me.
Okay, bro. Bro, I don't even have mic. I'm not using mic right now.
John, how to screen record in computer?
Bro, you can't screen record in computer.
Then why did Creecraft had a YouTube channel then?
I don't know how to screen record. Ask your kuya.
He doesn't even know how to he doesn't even have YouTube. He has YouTube and computer, but I do not know how to use. I don't know how to do screen record. John, are you taking off now or just taxiing?
I'm taxing.
John, if you tell your viewers to watch my landing, just silently.
No, I can't, bro. I don't have mic.
I said silently, John.
Silently? How
Yeah.
can I tell them silently?
Bro, just don't talk to them.
I don't have chat. I don't have chat.
I said, like, quiet in your own mouth.
In my own mouth, then I don't have. Bro, I accidentally clicked media only, not actually mic.
What if I buy your mic na lang?
Bro, you don't have to buy me mic. I could just do it, but I cannot. I accidentally clicked. Rafa, I accidentally clicked I accidentally clicked media.
John, I'm landing. Did I did butter?
Yeah, you did butter.
John, why don't we take off together na lang?
No, bro, I'm gonna teach them how to take off also.